Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shayda Campbell, and on this channel I do art tutorials and lifestyle videos. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Today I am shooting from our little cottage where we're staying in France, so things are a little different. And what I want to share today is a tech-ish tutorial. I'm going to make over my computer desktop and show you how to do that as well so that you can have a little more beauty in your digital world. So the first thing I want to do is switch up our desktop background image. Having some pretty image, maybe a little Shayda Campbell watercolor, that can really make your day when you're at the office or working on your computer. So if you would like to get one of the watercolor images for your desktop background that you see in today's video, those are available on my Patreon site. All the channel bonus content is just $2 a month. Okay, so to change our desktop background, the first thing we're going to do is just find that image. Now my image is in pictures, yours will probably be in your downloads if you download it from Patreon. That's it there, it looks good, it's sort of a fun watercolor pattern piece, and I'm going to right click it and I will go Set Desktop Picture. So there's our desktop background, it looks really good. Now we have the issue of these bright blue file folders, and that's what I want to switch up today. So I will come over here and I'll just pick any folder, I'm going to right click it and click Get Info. That will open up this little Get Info box, and you're just going to leave that open. Now you're going to come over here, click on that, and then we will go to Edit, and you're going to go down to Copy. Click Copy. Then what we're going to do is go over to our applications, and I am going to find the preview program. So wherever your preview is, open up preview, and then we're going to go to File, New from Clipboard, and this will open. And we've got two blue folders here. What we want to do today is change this image. We need to edit this image and then copy it back in. So I've got these bright blue file folders. I'm going to go to this tool that looks like a marker, and that is called the Show Markup toolbar. It opens up that whole menu there that you see right below it now. Then I come over here to this tool. It looks like a prism, and that is the Adjust Color menu that will open from that icon. And then what I want to do is play around. You can adjust the exposure, lighten and darken. Contrast has a similar effect. I'm just going to reset that there, and then you can also play around with the temperature, change the color of this file folder. There's a sepia slider. I'll reset again, and what I want to do today is just simply take that saturation all the way down. Anytime we reduce saturation, we get a grayscale or black and white image, and that's how I'm going to change my file folders to a nice sophisticated gray. And so now the two file folders have been changed. We are going to go up to Edit. We are going to click Select All. Okay, those are selected. Now we are going to come back over and we are going to go to Edit, Copy. Then you're going to click on that Get Info box that you opened at the very start. Click on that little blue folder there in the top left and go to Edit and Paste. And now you can see that blue folder has changed to a beautiful gray. And let me just show you that last part again. So I'm going to close some of these down. I will leave this open. I don't want to lose that. So we will just minimize that, close everything. I'm going to come over here to another folder. I'll right click and open up that Get Info box. And then all we have to do, because we did our first one there, is click the folder, go to Edit, and click Paste. And you'll see it changes immediately to the gray folder or whatever color you had chosen. Now what I'll do is just quickly change all of these. It goes pretty quickly. All you have to do is Get Info, click the folder, Edit, Paste. And if you are interested in grabbing one of my watercolor desktop backgrounds, they are both available on Patreon. The one that you saw at the beginning of the video was from last month, and then this new one I prepared specially for today's video. So both of those will be posted on Patreon, and you can grab them after the video. I hope you enjoyed learning to change the file folders on your Mac. It's a simple little change that will make your everyday life a little more beautiful. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon with a new tutorial.